Hi students, welcome to D Academy, India's largest and leading online training platform exclusively for the engineering students. Today we are going to learn about Revit Architecture. Yes, a globally renowned software of Revit Architecture. Learn Revit 2D and 3D online courses from scratch today. Revit is a civil engineering software used by architects, structural engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, plumbing engineers and contractors. MEP engineers simply love the software, and you go to any kind of MEP consultant firm, you can find the Revit MEP software used. It is used for applying the process of building information modeling to create building data in 3D models. This course includes a 16-hour of module videos, 24/7 chat and call support, 200+ downloads.